Please be ready for a dictation of a matter on role of political parties taken from Wikipedia. 5 seconds. Start. As with any other democracy, political parties represent different sections among the Indian society and regions, and their core values play a major role in the politics of India. Both the executive branch and the legislative branch of the government are run by the representatives of the political parties who have been elected through the elections. Through the electoral process, the people of India choose which representative and which political party should run the government. Through the elections, any party may gain simple majority in the lower house. Coalitions are formed by the political parties in case no single party gains a simple majority in the lower house. Unless a party or a coalition have a majority in the lower house, a government cannot be formed by that party or the coalition. India has a multi-party system where there are a number of national as well as regional parties. A regional party may gain a majority and rule a particular state. If a party is represented in more than 4 states, it would be labeled a national policy. Out of the 72 years of India's independence, India has been ruled by the Indian National Congress for 53 of those years as of January 2020. The party enjoyed a parliamentary majority save for 2 brief periods during the 1970s and late 1980s. This rule was interrupted between 1977 and 1980 when the Janata Party coalition won the election owing to public discontent with the controversial state of emergency declared by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The Janata Dal won elections in 1989, but its government managed to hold on to power for only 2 years. Between 1996 and 1998, there was a period of political flux, with the government being formed first by the nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party, followed by a left-leaning United Front coalition. In 1998, the BJP formed the National Democratic Alliance with smaller regional parties and became the first non-Indian National Congress and coalition government to complete a full 5-year term. The 2004 Indian elections saw the Indian National Congress winning the largest number of seats to form a government leading the United Progressive Alliance and supported by left parties and those opposed to the BJP. On 22nd May 2004, Manmohan Singh was appointed the Prime Minister of India following the victory of the Indian National Congress and the Left Front in the 2004 Lok Sabha election. The UPA ruled India without the support of the Left Front. Previously, Atal Bihari Vajpayee had taken office in October 1999 after a general election in which a BJP-led coalition of 13 parties called the National Democratic Alliance emerged with a majority. In May 2014, Narendra Modi of BJP was elected as Prime Minister of India. Formation of coalition governments reflects the transition in Indian politics away from the national parties toward smaller, more narrowly based regional parties. Some regional parties, especially in South India, are deeply aligned to the ideologies of the region, unlike the national parties, and thus the relationship between the central government and the state government in various states has not always been free of rancor. Disparity between the ideologies of the political parties ruling the center and the state leads to severely distorted allocation of resources between the states. Stop.